Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, it's your favorite graphic designer VicsonTech. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can create this storm paper effect on your picture using just your PixelLab. So if you'd like to learn how to create this kind of effect on your picture, I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video. PixelLab, I want you to delete the new text, so click on your A icon, delete the new text, click on the last icon, go to color, click on color. I want you to give it a black color. Yes, go to the center icon, let's import the picture. You can use any picture of your choice. Okay, this is the picture. Click on this good icon. Now go to relative size, stretch it. Yes, till it covers the canvas. That reminds me, if you know that you are new here, kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to other graphic designers. Okay guys, having said that, click on this icon below the three dots, lock it. Yes, now I want you to go to Pinterest and download Storm Paper Effect. Yes, that is what it is called. So turn on your mobile data. This is Pinterest. Now search for Storm Paper Effect. Yes. So come here and download anyone you like. You could download this. You could download any of the Storm Paper effects. Now if you are done downloading it, quickly take it to photo room, and what you are expected to do there is to remove the background. When you take it to photo room, ensure you take away the background. In case you don't know how to remove the background of any image, you can check the link in the description. You will find the link to one of my YouTube videos. I've made a video on how you can take away the background of any image, so just do well to check the description. Okay guys, I already have one, so let me import it. This is it. So this is what I want you to do: rotate it, reduce it. Please pay keen attention to what I'm doing now. If you fail to understand this part of the tutorial, you are going to find it difficult to create this storm paper effect. Now increase it, reduce it again, adjust it, bring it down, reduce it. Okay, it's okay. Now click on this icon. I want you to turn off this layer exactly, then click on this last icon, click on transparent, then save as image, change it to ultra, save to gallery. Beautiful. Now click on this icon again, turn on the other layer. Yes. Now the next thing I want us to do is to click on this icon again, turn off this layer. Yes, go back, click on the center icon, go to color filters, reduce the saturation. Now I want you to save this image. Remember to save as ultra. Beautiful. So quickly undo what you've done. Yes. Okay, I want you to import this. Remember that we saved this. Please don't stretch it from this anchor point. Instead, go to your relative size and stretch it. It will be at that spot it was before. It will be at that particular place it was before. That's it. Now go to texture. I want us to texture this image. Beautiful. Hope you can see it. Yes. Now go to stroke. Enable it. You can increase it to 3 or 4. Hope you can see it. That is how to create this stone paper effect on your picture. This is how we do it. So guys, if you know that you found this video helpful, kindly leave a like, comment, share this video, and if you know that you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.